When you're selling products on the internet, you can be located anywhere in the world and sell products. But for some reasons, certain countries have a bad rap associated with them. Now, I'm not saying you're a bad person if you're from India or Nigeria, but a lot of affiliate networks don't necessarily want to work with you. I don't know why. I'm totally chill with Indians and Nigerians, but not all affiliate networks are. I'm going to go over which affiliate networks will work with what people from what countries here. So I laid out a number here. Now, the first I'm going to start with is perhaps the biggest affiliate program in the world, and that's Amazon. Amazon Associates, you can sell anything, right? Now, Amazon, they will work with people from India, okay? But unfortunately, they will not work with people from Nigeria. That sucks. But if you're in India, you can use Amazon Associates. Now, A4D is a CPA affiliate network, meaning you don't necessarily even need to create a sale to make money. You can just have somebody download and install an app or submit a lead form, submit their name, phone number, and email address to a company, maybe requesting solar panels or life insurance. But A4D is a CPA network. Now, CPA networks work a little bit differently because you're not necessarily getting a sale. They actually vet the affiliates very strongly. They'll have interview questions for you if you want to become an affiliate of A4D. They only want to work with experienced affiliates who have a track record or of sending sales, or who know exactly what they need to do and won't message their affiliate managers. Now, one thing I want to caution you is before you consider joining A4D or Above All Offers, only use my name as a referral if you are not going to bug your affiliate manager with questions, okay, until after you start making money with them. I want to make that clear. First off, you won't get in if you don't have a referral to these networks. And second off, if you ask your affiliate manager a bunch of questions before you start generating income with them, they're just going to kick you out because they don't have time. They only make money if you make money. They don't have time to answer your questions. That's what training programs like mine are for. But that being said, A4D and Above All Offers will work with both people from Nigeria and India, which is the good news. But again, they only want to work with experienced people. So if you have questions and you think you're going to get free information from your affiliate manager, don't even try it. They have too many problems with fraud. Not going to go deeper into that right now. Now, Clickbank is the affiliate network I work with. I make hundreds of thousands of dollars per month with Clickbank. Last month, I made $691,000. So I like Clickbank a lot. They will work with people from India, but unfortunately, Clickbank does not accept affiliates from Nigeria. Again, don't ask me why. Don't blame me. They just don't accept Nigerians. The last network that you can work with is JVZoo. JVZoo has mostly kind of niche business opportunity products. But that being said, JVZoo is very popular with Nigerians actually, and they will work with Indians and Nigerians. Now, I know a lot of Nigerians who work with JVZoo. There's a number of internet millionaires or multimillionaires that from Nigeria that work with the JVZoo affiliate network. So this is very popular with Nigerians for whatever reason, also with Indians. But basically, this is a very good network for people from Nigeria. I don't know why. A lot of people have congregated there. So I hope you learned something from this video. Again, affiliate marketing is an international thing. You can sell products in any country around the world, but you need access to the offers and you need to be accepted to affiliate network. JVZoo will accept any affiliate that requests to join. So this is a very easy one to get into. I listed out all the others. If you want more information on affiliate marketing, hit that subscribe button and slam that notification bell because I'm gonna be dropping some serious heat daily here about how you can get your start in affiliate marketing. And when you subscribe to my channel, you will get a free course on affiliate marketing where you can learn more about this amazing industry that's created freedom for me and so many others. So Thanks for watching, and see you in another video.